Hey you guys, got this 800-watt solar street light. These guys sent me to do an unboxing on. Let's check it out. Here's everything that came in the box. Here's the panel. Got the light on the front. Mounting rod bracket, remote control. Here it takes two AAAs. And here's some parts. Here's for putting it in cement. Here's for the brackets right there. And then here's some spare parts. In the parts bag, there's a nut and a bolt that looks just like this. And it's gonna go right down through here. This part here, we're gonna insert right in here. And then you can see that the bolt goes right in there. And the nut is gonna be held right in there. The light is made by BNT. Bolt goes right down in here. Okay, the solar light is all set up. One screw, it's ready to roll. Now, if you want to screw it into some wood, just use some lag bolts and come right through these holes. That's what I'm going to do. If you want, you can use this other mounting bracket. If you want to go around a pole, use the screws that come with it, nuts and bolts that come with it. All right, here's the remote control features. So, the on, you can turn the lights on. They can actually be turned on during the day, but it won't turn off automatically. So the off, lights will not be automatically turned on at dusk the next day. So you got the HL, put this right here, the HL plus SEN, it's the motion sensor mode. And then the 2 hour plus SEN, it's after 2 hours of fixed 100% brightness, it turns into motion sensor mode. Same thing here, but after 4 hours. That's pretty cool, that's a nice feature. So 2 hours of just being on, and then it turning into motion sensor mode. That is great. And then if you push no sen right there, no sensor, it's fixed on 100% brightness the whole time. And then you can increase or decrease the brightness with these two buttons right there. That's nice. Okay, now I'm just gonna mount this to this wooden beam here. Use these lag bolts. Go. Now we're just gonna wait till it gets dark. All right, there it is. Oh, it's nice and bright. Go ahead and adjust the brightness on this. It was down. There's as bright as it can go. Let's check that out. Oh yeah.